Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve PDF opening in Chrome instead of Adobe Reader in Windows computer. So PDF open in Chrome instead of Adobe Reader because Chrome is set as the default applications for opening PDF files on your computer. This can happen for two main reasons: operating system default, Chrome built-in viewer. Then I'll show you method to fix this problem. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to change the default app in Windows settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open Windows settings. And once you open up here at Windows settings, then you need to select this apps and then click. And once you open up here at apps at left side navigation panel, then you need to select this default apps and then click. And then on right side here at default apps, then you need to scroll down and select this. Choose default apps by file type and then click. And once you open up here at choose default apps by file type, underneath here at associate file types with specific apps, then you need to scroll down, find and locate this Adobe Acrobat. So all you have to do is to select and then pop up this, choose an app, then select this Adobe Acrobat. Alright, so once you choose this default apps by Adobe Acrobat, then we need to close. If the error is still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to disable the Adobe Reader add-on. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then you need to type here Internet Properties, and then you need to click open. And once you open up here at Internet Properties, then you need to select or tap this Programs tab and then click. And then here at Programs tabs, and then you can see here Manage Add-ons. And on right side, you need to tap or click this Manage Add-ons. And once you open up here at Manage Add-ons, and on right side, then you need to find and locate this Adobe Reader here. So if you find this Adobe Reader here, then you need to select. And then on right side on the bottom right corner, then you can see this disabled. Then you need to click or tap this disabled. Alright, then we need to close here. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to disable the extensions in Chrome. So all you have to do is to open up your Chrome browser. And once you open up, and then you need to click the three vertical dots on the top right corner. And then you need to scroll down and select this extensions. And then on left side corner, then pop up this notifications. Then you need to tap or click this manage extensions. So here now at extensions, then you need to find this Adobe Acrobat. So if you find already here, then we need to disable this button. So if you see here this enabled, then you need to disable or turn off. And then we need to close. Then here at the power button, then we need to restart this PC. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.